very much on the phone. CO58TAS. It's a pink phone held lower down on her left leg, very much out of sight. And it says E300 Charlie Oscar 58 Tango Alpha Sierra. I saw at least 2 WhatsApp gaps from her where the queue had moved off and she didn't. Bet you'll ignore the keep clear. Oh yes, I can see that. I can see a very clearly open phone. That. Right, let's carry on. Very naughty. And of course I did see her holding it, so yeah, she knows. It's that unhappy face. What's that, mate? She was on the phone. Mate, you should know better. Come on. Well, because people are doing dangerous driving. Why am I doing it? Because that's not safe for the roads, is it? You should know better. Carry on, you're holding everyone up now. It's everybody's job. LR12BVX 34591. All he's really saying, the poor taxi driver, is that he's angry that bad driving's been caught, and if you stop everyone catching it, look, here's another one. If you catch everyone, I mean, if you stop people like me doing what I do, then the result is fewer people get caught, and he's at less risk of being caught.